Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Sharifah and my student number A1M224117. Today, my group will talk about passionation processing in morphology, assimilation, and dissimilation. Let's start simple. Morphology is the study of how words are formed. For example, happiness has three morphemes: un, happy, and nice. But here's the fun part: when we combine morphemes, the sounds often change to make pronunciation easier. This sound change follow two main patterns: assimilation, when sounds become more similar, and dissimilation, when sounds become less similar. Think of it like this: assimilation helps sounds blend together, while dissimilation helps them stand out. Both make speech smoother and more natural. Now, let's look closer at how assimilation works. Lista will explain with some explains you probably use every day.
Alright, thanks Warda. Hello everyone, I am Rista. My official number is A1M224067. So, what is assimilation? Assimilation happens when one sound changes to become more like a nervy sound. It makes pronunciation smoother and more natural. Let's start with negative prefixes in English. The prefix in means not, but it changes depending on the next sound. In place possible become impossible, in place regular become irregular, in place legal become illegal. Why does that happen? Because our mouth adjusts to make speech easier. For example, in impossible, the N changed to M since both M and P are made with the lips. It's just simpler to say impossible than impossible. Now, another case is plural endings in English. Cats sound voiceless. Dogs sound voiced. The S change to match the final sound of the word. If the last sound is voiced, like G in dog, the plural S become voiced too. So assimilation is all about efficiency. Our mouth takes the easiest path to pronounce words smoothly. Now, let's move to the opposite process, dissimilation. My friend Juslia will explain that part.
Thank you, Rista. Hi everyone, I Juslia. My official number is A1M224049. I will explain about dissimilation. Well, if assimilation makes sounds similar, dissimilation makes them different. When two similar sounds are too close, one of them may change to make pronunciation easier. For example, Latin word purpura become purple. One R changed to L. The word February is often pronounced February instead of February. Many people also say library instead of library. These are examples of dissimilation. Our tongue will simplify difficult sound patterns to make words easier to say. So, to sum up, assimilation happens when sounds become more alike. For example, in impossible, the N changed to M before P. In dogs, the S becomes Z after voice sounds. Dissimilation happens when similar sounds become less alike. For example, purpura changed to purple because one R become L, and February is often pronounced February when the R sound is dropped. Both are natural processes that show how language changes to make speech smoother and easier. Language is alive. It changes with us every time we speak. So, thank you for listening. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.